welcome to the handy dandy seatbelt instruction video. Okay, today we will learn how to buckle a seatbelt. Make sure the octopi are up. And so, now, first step, take the
buckle.
Yeah, that. Take the buckle and put it to your stomach. Then you go reach about 4 inches.
Octopuses.
5. 4.5 octopus. Octopi. And oh darn. Then you make it all the way to the belt buckle, and you put it to your back. Now you see this? Looks like I have a tail. Now we're gonna fling it around town like woo! Oh! Okay. We're gonna put it to their back. We're gonna fling. Oh! Okay. Good. Alright. Then, but if you want to make it any easier, you can take the buckle around the tail. You're messing up my instructional video!
Time.
I'm dying. Okay, and then we bring it around, and we beep, beep, choo, 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 choo. Choo. Okay, and then, yeah, that was my instructional video.
How do you unbuckle it?
Well, it's quite simple. You just slip it off like this.
What about pressing the button?
What button?
Oh, but you buckled it in?